Today I'm going to explain about the eyelid cleanser with tea tree. It's a 30 ml gel cleanser. Why you would use it: you would clean your eyelids and eyelashes every day to free them of dust and particles and to prevent the little Demodex mites from having a little party on your eyelashes. How you would use it is you would open it, take a rice grain size of the gel. You can see it's lovely gel consistency. Smells, it contains tea tree as the main ingredient. You can add a little drop of water to make it in a foam, and then with your fingers you can clean your eyelids and your eyelashes while your eyes are closed, and then you can also just include your whole face as well. It's very easy to use. Keep your eyes closed while you're cleansing, rinse them off, then open and dry your face, and that's it.